Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ian Trader. Welcome back after a little break. I'm sorry for not being active for the last few weeks. I've been traveling, actually backpacking in Mexico and Costa Rica. I actually thought I would be able to record for you from my phone, but it was just not possible, and I'm sorry about that. I'm coming back to giving you a lot of updates every day, pretty much daily. So we're gonna come back today, and today we're gonna start with JASMY. This is JASMY USDT chart, and let's take a look at what happened during that time I was absent. So I remember last update was around here. I'm just gonna mark it on the chart, and I remember telling you guys that after that bounce over here with around 25%, I was telling you guys that it's highly probable that was a dead cat bounce, and we would just see a little bit of that downtrend. We'll see a little bounce and then another wave down, and this is exactly what happened. What's happening right now could be a big dead cat bounce or just a normal bounce and a trend reversal, but we're gonna talk about that later in this video. So we actually topped this level. We actually went below 2 cents, and we bounced over around 65-66%, which is amazing, incredible. And if you had your order limits at those levels, congratulations, because not only we touched this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, but we topped this really important, this is daily chart by the way, and this 382 Fibonacci retracement level and a daily 200 moving average right here we have. So that was a great purchasing zone, and that we bounced from because Bitcoin bounced. If Bitcoin continued to go down, actually, there is a big chance we would have broken that support and just go lower, but Bitcoin decided to go the other way, and we bounced off that level. So if you had your order limits right here and right here, from your average price from here, you could have made around 50% of profit. And if you did that swing trade, congratulations to you. Alright, let's take a look at what happened with Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin grew. As you can see here, though, that was my prediction from a few weeks ago, and look what happened actually. Maybe not exactly like here, like I drew on the chart, but something similar, right? So I really predicted that we're gonna touch this support, and we did. Maybe not ideally here, because I think I was referring to weekly chart, and we're really close. That's why I told you guys you should have your order limits on the way down here, not exactly at this level, but a little bit higher. And 54, what I was telling you guys that we would touch for sure, and we did actually. So look what happened. I was actually right. It's just I thought we would actually touch this 52 level. We went down to 54, which is not bad. It's still a pretty dope prediction by me, and I'm really proud of it. And if you took that advantage of that, congratulations. So what happened with BTC bounced around 25%, which is amazing, because a JASMY bounced 65%. Okay, so it's almost 3 times, 2 times for sure, but almost 2.5 times more than BTC. So as you can see here on the lower caps, good performing assets, you can actually swing trade and have higher returns. let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance and what happened here. And as we can see here, we're just going sideways, and going sideways at the top is a good indicator. And whenever we touch those levels right here, from 57 to like 55% over here, then you should buy your altcoins. Okay. And if we decide to break this level and go into this order zone, you should accumulate altcoins with just increase your exposure on altcoins. All right, so let's take a look at first Fear and Greed Index, because this is really interesting. Look, guys, I told you guys that you were asking me what is the best time to accumulate BTC or JASMY, and I told you guys Extreme Fear, and it was last week, 25. First time we hit Extreme Fear for a long time. And as you can see, during the last year, the lowest we got was 30, and the last week was like 25. That's the year lowest for the last year. That was the lowest level last week. And if we take a look at JASMY, actually, if we could take a look at JASMY chart, when we hit that Extreme Fear, that was a perfect opportunity for you to purchase JASMY right here, and you could have made around 65% from that level. And I was telling you guys, wait for Extreme Fear with your first purchasing. And look at that, that could also form a dead count bounce, and we could see another move, something like this, and then bounce like that. So as I said before, it's really important to buy those levels right here, wait for the bounce, and take your profits, because it's really hard to predict the crypto market. So DCA on Extreme Fear, it's like the best thing you can do right now. Now we're in greed, so now it's not a time for buying, and now would be a good time for selling. And if you're swing trading, that would be a good time to take profits, obviously. Let's take a look at Bitcoin altcoin season. Perfect. We were in a Bitcoin season right now. We were in the Bitcoin season, and we had Extreme Fear, and that was a perfect opportunity for you to purchase JASMY. So as I said before in all my videos, that could have been a good swing for you. And if you did so, congratulations. First of all, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. We just passed like 1,150 something. I don't even know now. So I'm really thankful for you, for all of you that follow me. And if you're not subscribed yet, just make sure you go to my channel and click the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. There's way more content coming, and you will be really happy to watch all my videos, because the knowledge will be really valuable. I'm thinking, what else can I see on the chart? What else can I say? And this big bounce on a weekly chart actually looks like a dead cat bounce as well. So we either gonna see, everything depends on the Bitcoin, what it's gonna do, and if it's gonna break into new all-time high levels, we may see growth. And if you're invested in JASMY, and if you DCate all your levels, like, you're gonna be a lucky one. But if this is a dead cat bounce, like a big one on a weekly chart, then I think going to that level and bouncing off that moving average would be a perfect scenario. And if you're not invested in JASMY yet, you will have another occasion, and probably the last one before like the big move. But we'll see what happens. Like I've been telling you guys for a long time that crypto is extremely difficult to predict, and what you can do is just do the technical analysis and establish those levels, and use those levels as for your purchasing, and use upper levels for selling. And this is what I do on this channel. And if you're wondering how it works, make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow me. Obviously I didn't mention that before. This is not a financial advice at all. It's just my personal opinion on the market. You should make your own independent decisions on your own. All right, so yeah, I think that's it for today. That's what I can see now on the chart. I'm gonna still need some time to analyze it deeply and give you more brief analysis at what's happening and what are the plans for the future. But this is what I see now, and I hope you like it. If you did, make sure to click that like that button. If you want to if you appreciated that video, like the video, leave a comment down below. If you don't know what to write, just write thank you, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. And for sure, I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. I had some amazing analysis of Tesla and BTC that worked perfectly, because if you're watching me for a long time, remember I told you guys that I was selling BTC at 70k and I was gonna move the assets into Tesla, and actually Bitcoin went down 25% and Tesla went up 80%, which was a golden move and an amazing decision by me. So I'm gonna make a video about that probably tomorrow or in a New Year's Day, so subscribe for more. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna cover a lot of new projects as well. Yep, thank you so much. That's it for today, and hopefully talk to you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.